Last game, last meeting, James Dukusin was their top scorer with 24 points, who has been silent now. No?
That was in round 1.
Yeah, round 1.
Well, Dukusin is actually not part of this game. He's out because of a left ankle injury.
First game no for Adamson in this the season. Pero yun nga, unfortunately, he isn't present.
Point here for UE, by the way. This is the first time in the entire season where they have led 2 sets to none. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Happy Saturday. We have our UAAP quadruple header here inside the UST Quadricentennial Pavilion. That's a fireball by Rakim Asiron. 2-4, Lance Perret. Not the best of passes. Back row, wow! What an explosion by Andrew Tahiludin.
Domingo, yung mga ganong instances, parang safe play lang nila yun.
Asiron, able to get it through even though he's a bit far from the net.
Kailangan nilang maximize yun. Na nagbibigay dito ng errors ang UE. We gotta score more in terms of attacking or even blocking.
Nice block. Off the coverage, Asiron hits down the line and it's inside. That almost did not make it.
Pero pwede hairline lang yun pag challenge natin.
There's a reason why we have a linesman who saw it perfectly. Saved by Tahiludin. Tough D-ball play there. Nice pass by CJ. Does the activation for Sean Kamaymayan. Now with 9 points.
Always present and aware, no? Sayang eh. Mga ganong instances na block na or na-touch na ng blockers na ng teammate mo.
It's Piojo, Perret, and Roca. Back row option. Rakim Asiron. Tahiludin denied by Perret. Costello there to cover. One more for Andrew. Good chance for UE. They send it to the open. Piojo! What a hammer from Roy.
No, Piojo.
Bingo, a lot of time to think there. And a super spike on the other end by 9-7. Piojo. Bawi agad.
You see also that Vicar.
Here's UE with Asiron. Oh, Ornos sent it to the other side.
In that first round, he played as an outside hitter, filling the role of Piojo.
Yeah. Yun yung era na parang dalawang libero nila. 13-10. Oh! Nagpatungan yung dalawang Adamson players. That's all because of their efforts. Asiron. What a dig by Ornos. Will it be worth it? And it will. They deserve that, Alfred.
Yeah, because
Plus, there's also a great storyline between these two. Again, in round number 1, UE snapped its 23-game UAAP losing streak versus Adamson. They did it in 5 grueling sets. And that back row hit works for Roy Piojo. He's up to 18-11. Tough reception. Iturralde gives it up to Roca. And it's a rare D-ball connection for UE, which we will gladly take. 12-18. Bit of a mountain to climb for the Red Warriors. Maglay. Easily put up by Adamson. They send it onto the middle. Nice combination with Richard Besorio. Besorio proceeds to the back. Wow. Really hurt him on that one. Piojo. Nice cross. Very sharp. 13-19. Wow, how about that? I'm sure you missed that feeling, Alfred.
yeah, of course.
Yung alam mong automatic na yung puntos mo. That point wasn't automatic, but both in 5 sets. So they want to do the same thing today. In 5 sets versus UE, they're going to need to pull off a reverse sweep to do so.
Ooh.
That's going to be another attack point for Roy Piojo, who now has 18. Lead is 4. D-ball, Estado. Ooh, it's passed backwards.
You have that option just to drop it towards the setter's area.
Yeah. Eliminate the setter from getting that second ball. Estado. There's the drop. Aceron scoring off the blocker. Misreception. Aceron denied. How about Ornos? Nice pass. Wala pang pambawi para kay Richard Besorio. It's Aceron. Great net defense. Ornos really stepping up. Overpass. Regalong regalo para kay Leo Cogimbal. (24-19). Aceron. Seems like he got 2 touches there.
Big ball there.
3 service errors today for Sairoka. That one barely made it.
Yeah.
Estado down the line. And that's it for set number 3. This will not be a straight set match.